Sui. We've got some really good results on Sui. In the last video, we were right here. It was Friday, and I said we're gonna long if short started closing, and we did. We did manage to get a very good long right here, but the area where we had a lot of shorts closing was here and then here. So this was a few other trades that you could have taken. I just took this one, and I'm interested in a few other trades right now. The first one being at this area right here, where we'll have $229,000 worth of shorts close, 3.34, 500k, and so on. So 3.34, 3.36 is still a very important area. This is the area where that will liquidate these shorts right here and to coincide with the 200 EMA. So in general, this is definitely something that you want to watch out for. And I think we'll have a pump later tonight, so we can take this short, hopefully, to the downside. This is basically how I'll be trading Sui. We took profit on a few trades. Here are the meme coin trades. 260k profit overall on VOOX, 30 grand, 28 grand on this wallet. If you want to follow every single trade I have, and we just took profit on a bunch of trades. Let me show you right here, and we are long a lot of trades. We are long Vine, Mix, AO. We just took profit on Useless. So if you want to follow these trades, use the link in the description below. The meme coin trades and the future trades are in the signals chat. If you want to learn how I trade, I also have a link in the description below for my course. It's a one-time payment of $117 where I'll teach you everything I know. And you can also join BloFin, which are giving away $300 in bonuses on your net deposit and so on. Definitely worth it. I'm switching from XC there. Let me just show you all the trades I have right now. So in the current trades, we have a bunch of new things as well. So close this and reopen. Sometimes it takes a few seconds. Or another option is to have it open right here in the trade. So we have a Somi long, which will take profit around here. We'll be moving it with VWAP. We also have an AO long, which will take profit soon. Vine long, Mix long, CFX long, and Bank long. CFX, we already took profits on a bunch of our trade, but as you can see, but we still have more things to do. So yeah, this is basically how I'll trade it. Obviously, no financial advice. Use the links in the description down below to sign up. Love you with all my heart. See you next video.